Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Bloodlit mutation and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get started. Basically, the Bloodlit mutation is a rare mutation that only appears during the blood moon weather event. When one of your crops becomes bloodlit, its value increases significantly, making it one of the best mutations for earning extra money. Because it's event exclusive, you will need to wait until the blood moon appears before you can obtain it. And how to get the blood mutation. You can start by planting your highest value crops and let them fully mature. Once they're fully grown, don't harvest them yet. Instead, leave them in your garden and wait for the blood moon weather event like this. And when the blood moon begins, some of your fully grown crops have a chance to receive the blood mutation automatically. The more mature crops you have in your garden, the better your chances of getting at least one bloodlit crop. And here are a few tips to help you maximize your profits. Fill your entire garden with valuable crops before the event starts. Try to stay in the game during the blood moon so you don't miss the mutation opportunity. And if you're lucky enough to get bloodlit on high value crop, you will earn much more when you finally harvest and sell it. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the bloodlit mutation. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.